हाय गाइस, गुड आफ्टरनून। आज है 1 अगस्त 2017 और मैं निफ्टी को देखने लग रही हूँ। मुझे कुछ खास आज फिर वही बात है जो कल थी। निफ्टी में कुछ खास मूवमेंट नहीं है और आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर अ काइंड ऑफ ब्रेकआउट तो अब मैं आपको इसको थोड़ा सा पिवट पॉइंट्स लगा के दिखाती हूँ कि निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है। सी, निफ्टी ओपन above the pivot point, right? But it is experiencing a resistance from R1, right? You can see that. So I hope you all understand. This is pivot point. This is S1, S2, S3. Like it goes that way in the downward direction, and then R1, R2, and R3, right? So now what I'm seeing here, exactly same situation was yesterday also. That it was experiencing a resistance by R1 or maybe by R2. It was experiencing a resistance by R2 yesterday, and today it's experiencing a resistance by R1. But yet there is no momentum. कोई momentum नहीं है, ना तो निफ्टी ऊपर जा रही है ना निफ्टी नीचे जा रही है. And I just want to tell you people that these are those days when option premium is eaten up. Like these are days when your options will erode. मतलब अगर आपने कॉल खरीद रखा है तो कॉल की वैल्यू भी कम हो जाएगी, पुट खरीद रखा है तो पुट की वैल्यू भी कम हो जाएगी, बिकॉज निफ्टी की कोई डायरेक्शन नहीं है. सो इस समय थीटा काम कर रहा है. थीटा का जॉब है टू डिके, मतलब उसका काम है कि इस वैल्यू को, प्रीमियम को इरोड करना. तो वो कंटिन्यूसली इस वैल्यू जो भी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल निफ्टी की कॉल है इस समय 11.30 की और निफ्टी की पुट है इस समय 20.85 की. दोनों की वैल्यू डिके होती रहेगी, राइट, if there is no directional movement, right? So आज अभी भी हम इसको यही बोल सकते हैं कि जब निफ्टी, let me take a pen, let me make a line here, जब इस लाइन को कन्विंसिंगली क्रॉस कर देगी, आज का जो इसका बॉटम है उसको क्रॉस कर देगी, which is 10,105 in futures, then I will say it's going down. Otherwise I don't see it going down, because every time it tries to go down, then suddenly bulls appear from somewhere and push it in the upward direction. So see, जैसे मॉर्निंग में काफी फाइट हुई बुल्स एंड बियर्स की. ये दो कैंडल्स आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये बुल्स एंड बियर्स की फाइट हो रही है और उसके बाद रेजिस्टेंस लेके निफ्टी नीचे गई, बट अगेन बुल्स केम ओवर and they took nifty up. So this fight is going on, until there is a decisiveness over here. Who wins, either the bulls or the bears. So I was looking into the entire market space, I was just going through all the sectors, one by one. So I was looking into auto. So auto is pretty much positive today, and leading it's led by Eicher Motor, TVS Motor and Maruti. These are the three which are really doing well, and the Bosch Limited. And then we have bank, which are the all the banks. In this also there is 50-50. 50% stocks are up and 50% are down. Then this is energy, exactly same scenario. FMCG, let's say what's happening in FMCG, exactly same scenario, 50% up and 50% down. But I was looking at the PSU bank. The PSU banks are all down, right? They are all negative. And I'm sure I probably don't have Bank Nifty. Because of that, the Bank Nifty must be also down. And because Bank Nifty is down and roughly about 30% of Nifty is also banks, that is why Nifty is also going down. So the sector that is pulling Nifty down today, let's just explore a bit more. What's happening in private bank? 50%, right? Like 50% up, 50% down. Reality, exactly same scenario. So there is absolute indecisiveness, except banking sector, which clearly tells that they are all in the downward direction, right? Metals are doing pretty well today. Like if you look into Hindalco, Coal, JSW, Tata Steel, Apollo, APL Apollo, all of them are doing really well, right? So I was looking into the sector, so I realized that banking sector is the one which is not doing well, and that would probably bring Nifty down, right? So let's see. Let me see it with my own setup. क्या हो रहा है इसमें? Because that gives me a better understanding. Let's see here. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? हमको जो मेरा mindset है वो यही कि MACD तो crossover हो चुका है, right? RSI is at 61.52. Candles have to form below 10 moving average, right? अगर candles 10 moving average के नीचे चली जाती हैं और there is a little bit more divergence that comes over here, then Nifty should give a profit booking, right? Another thing that is making me bother is this, that they have, Nifty has made a double top, right? Today Nifty has made a double top. Let me just make a line chart rather than a bar chart. So see here, it has made a double top. एक peak ये बनाई first and then the second peak. You can see first peak and then the second peak. So if it goes below 10 moving average, I'm sure a bit of more profit booking should come into place. And rest, we can't say anything because huge bull run is on. Means, I was yesterday looking into the FII DII data. So the FIIs have sold in cash, but DIIs have bought more than them. You know, like whatever FIIs sold, DIIs have bought more than them. That means, you know, earlier क्या होता था कि अगर FIIs ने sell कर दिया, Nifty used to just crash. Now the power has gone from them. It is in the hands of DII. DII have more money. DIIs are basically the domestic investing institutional investors, like mutual funds, like banks or insurance companies. They have much higher capital with them after demonetization, so they are the one who are supporting Nifty. So every time FIIs sell, they pull back, they pump in money and push Nifty up. So this is why there is no fall in Nifty, right? And I'm sure it is conviction in the our government as well, by the all FIIs as well as DIIs. The policies are such that it is helping retail investors. Fine. So that is why Nifty, although it tries to cross this level, it's not being able to cross, yet it is not falling down. Why it is not falling down? क्योंकि एक बहुत भारी सपोर्ट इसको मिलता है फ्रॉम DIIs. सो एक और चीज देखते हैं ओपन इंटरेस्ट में क्या हो रहा है. निफ्टी के ओपन इंटरेस्ट में देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है और कहाँ पे इसकी बाउंड्रीज हैं. सो आई होप यू ऑल नो हाउ टू लुक एट द ओपन इंटरेस्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी हियर where is the highest open interest. It is at 10,100 level. Can you see these values, right? These values of call you can see. This is at 10,100 level, and then next level is 10,200 level. You can see it over here, and then of course so on and so forth. So the Nifty has a ceiling at 10,100 first, right? And right now where is it? 10,084. That is why it is finding it difficult to cross it. Now let's see where is the support, and support is also almost at 100 only, and the next support is at 10,000 level. So even if Nifty falls, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा fall हमको इसमें expect नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि it is being supported on both the sides. ऊपर की तरफ भी और नीचे की तरफ भी. नीचे की तरफ 10,000 से नीचे ये नहीं जाएगी, इस लेवल तक आएगी, उसके बाद it is definitely going to bounce back. ठीक है. तो those who are expecting a huge amount of profit booking coming in, as of now it doesn't look, but you never know. It's market में कब direction change हो जाती है किसी को कुछ नहीं पता, right? So let's see. I mean this is first after many times that I'm not being able to figure out what's the direction of Nifty. So it is very very range bound. It is within about 24 points. मॉर्निंग से इवनिंग तक का रेंज केवल 24 पॉइंट्स का है. सो देखते हैं, कल भी इसी तरह की कुछ सिचुएशन थी, बट एंड में आके इसने एक सडन जंप के साथ निफ्टी ऊपर गई थी. करीब कितना ऊपर गई थी? करीब 20-22 पॉइंट्स ऊपर गई थी, 25 पॉइंट्स ऊपर गई थी. तो आज भी वैसा सिनेरियो पॉसिबल है, क्योंकि कोई न्यूज नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं है खबर जिससे कि निफ्टी नीचे जाए. ओके, नाउ सम ऑफ द स्टॉक्स दैट आई हैव ऑन माय रडार आर, आई टोल्ड यू yesterday, I told you I have also identified Greenply. मुझे Greenply भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and it looks good to me in all time frames, right? In all time frames I'm finding it good. And then I have Pincon. This is Pincon, which is also looking very very good to me. And another one that I have on my radar is Jayashree Tea. This is Jayashree Tea, which is also I'm finding extremely good. Like if the moment this 10 moving average crosses over, and we will have a buying opportunity at about roughly 104, and then it should take you to 120. Its first target will be 120, right? 120, good about 15% का ब्रेकआउट आपको इस स्टॉक में मिलेगा। तो कल के जो मैंने अपने मेंबर्स के स्टॉक्स दिखाए थे उसमें था थिरुमलाई केमिकल विच हैज डन सो वेल यस्टरडे, एंड होंडा पावर कितने पॉइंट्स ये कल ऊपर गया था, 150 पॉइंट, और आज कितना प्रॉफिट बुकिंग है, जस्ट 3-4 पॉइंट्स का, राइट। So this is how, when you do correct analysis, this is how you will be able to identify good stocks. And, that is what I actually teach in my webinar, taking in account all the factors that exist when we create a position, direction of Nifty, open interest, price action reaction, all the things we see, and then only we create a position. So guys, if you're interested, if you're keen to join my program, please join in, because now we have introduced options as well, options and futures also. And of course, we promise that we will, ensure that you have recovered your 29,500 rupees within first month itself. And the option may, the loss is limited and profit is unlimited. You don't know how much profit. So as a rule, we buy only those, options which are within our range between 5 to 10,000 rupees, and we find out that with a lot of research, where should we basically buy a call or a put, depending upon taking care of all the factors of stock, and then we create a position. So our loss is limited to 5-6,000 rupees, but when it comes to profit, it sometimes multiplies 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and it's a we don't do many trades, we don't do 10 trades in a day, just one trade in 2-3 days. But that gives enough money for us to really have good, good returns. So if you are looking for doing something like that, which gives you peace of mind, which gives you, where you understand the market, the direction of the market, and then you create your position. If you're interested in doing such trades which are peaceful, which gives you, the conviction in your trade, please join the webinar. And as I have been telling, your money will be recovered very quickly. And you have seen my trades over here. I've shown you many times what trades I've done, although I do very few trades, because I'm primarily a teacher. So when I teach, I sometimes get distracted. So I don't, I only do positional trades, and sometime when I get really good opportunity within the market, when I'm sitting on it, teaching or conducting my webinar, I do create some kind of positions also. So guys, abhi Nifty ka wahi stance, कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं है. आई एम जस्ट क्लूलेस माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज देयर इज बॉटम इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेड, टॉप इज ऑल्सो लिमिटेड. वी डोंट नो व्हाट मे हैपन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन which side becomes aggressive. Is it the bulls or the bears? Either the profit booking will come into play, or it may be, that suddenly you will see a bull run coming up. Let's see what's happening in the international markets. Maybe we'll get to know something more. So these are let me take up FTSE. So this is FTSE. So which seems to be going up, FTSE seems to be going up, So opened up with a, if it is going up, means international markets are positive. Let me see what's happening in DAX. DAX has gone down. Now it is recovering. And I think what's happening in our Nifty from this platform. So it is on a very, very crucial juncture, right? Let's see. This is which time frame? This is 15 minutes time frame. And the candle has come below this moving average, right? And this moving average means this is 14 moving average. So let's wait. Let's wait and see. Because if the candles have to be convincingly below 10 moving average according to my chart, right? If it comes convincingly below, then a bit more profit booking should come in. That is what I predict, right? But agar nahi hota hai aise, again it may go up with a lot of momentum and gusto. At least it'll try to touch once again its previous high, which was, 10134. So let's see what happens. Abhi to absolute indecisiveness. अगर देखा जाए सपोर्ट भी ले रहा है और फिर सपोर्ट को ब्रेक करने की कोशिश भी चल रही है. So anything is possible. I mean, absolutely indecisiveness. So all the best, guys. Good day. I'm looking forward to see you all at the webinar. Please invest in your learning, because once you do that, you don't have to ask for any tip anywhere, right? Bye-bye. Good day. See you tomorrow. I hope Nifty will show some direction tomorrow. Bye-bye.